Hello viewers, a couple of weeks ago I shared that FlyOBE 11, a tool to bypass restriction and install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, was rebranded as FlyOBE. At that time, the latest update had changed it to FlyOBE with version 0.35. The OB stand for out of box experience. I will have that video link if you want more details. Now the developer has released FlyOBE version 1.2, which is the newest release. If you go over to GitHub where the app is developed, you will find link classic FlyOBE 11 and the newest FlyOBE. I think that is a good move since it gives user the choice between the original and updated version. I will also leave this page in the description so you can easily access the download links and try it out. The new version 1.2 brings 3 improvements and 1 announcement. First improvement, there is a new OB setup for custom Windows 11 installed and repair. This is currently in preview with support for the media creation tool MCT and Refus. Another popular bypass app, however, the developer mentioned that automation support is still limited and not stable yet. They are considering adding a native solution in future update similar to the first FlyOBE 11 build. FlyOBE now support upgrades, clean install and the pull out of box setup, making it very useful for installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. Second improvement, ISO mounting has been improved. It now only shows volume with an actual driver letter. Plus there are some performance optimization and lower RAM usage. Announcement, the developer shared that FlyOBE 11 and FlyOBE will soon be merged into a single project in an upcoming release. This will also include more codes, cleanups and improvements. As I have mentioned before, I don't personally recommend installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, but this app has become very popular since its first launch and many people are already using it, so I just wanted to keep you updated. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.